Okay, so this is take 2 without kids and things except for Iris. We are going to start with our magic ring. So I start with the short end in my hand like so, and I'm going to wrap it around like this, forming an X kind of at the top of my fingers. I go through and I pull the underneath one behind. Notice no twisting, I'm just pulling it right there, and then I'm gonna put my finger here and take my other fingers out. So I like to pinch the loop closed, but the first thing you do is grab your string, and then you can grab your loop, and then I'm going to chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. These are very loose because I want them easy to crochet into later. And now that I have those 3, I can kind of turn over my loop like so, grab my string, and I'm going to do another 2 double crochets into the loop. So 1, and 2. So that means counting the foundation chain that I did, I have 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to do chain 1, nice and loose. And then I'm going to do another 3. 1, 2, 3. And Iris just found my stash of string. So let me get that off the table. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, chain, 1, 2, 3, chain, 1, 2, 3. And it's usually about this point that if I haven't shrunk my loop yet, I want to, because it's just a little too big to work with, so I'll shrink it down a little bit so that it's easier to hold and crochet into. So far I have 1, 2, 3, chain, 1, 2, 3, chain, 1, 2, 3, chain, and this is my last set of 3. So, oh, losing it. 1, 2, trying to go slow so we can kind of keep up, 3, and I need to chain 1 more time. This is my 4th corner, as well as this is how I'm going to join it. So I have my foundation chain, and then I do 2 double crochets, chain, 3 double crochets, chain, 3 more double crochets, chain, 3 more double crochets, and chain. And now I'm going to pull this nice and tight so that it pulls up, and we count. Let me see if I can see on the screen. 1, 2, 3. This is my 3rd chain right here. So I don't want to go into the chain, not right here. I want to go into the stitch. So I might have to work it in if I wasn't loose enough. I was pretty loose, so it's fairly easy for me to get in there. And I'm going to join them together, which means that I'm just going to pull my string through this one and then through the last one. I'm not yarning over in between. And that is how we form our first round of the circle, of the square. So you can see very clearly that I have, put this down, 1, 2, 3. Hang on. 1, 2, 3. There's a space. 1, 2, 3. There's a space. 1, 2, 3. There's a space. 1, 2, 3, and a space. So I have 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, forming the foundation of my square.